Welcome to the Hyphen Technologies. In a world driven by technology, every connection matters. At Hyphen Technologies, we don't just deliver IT solutions, we empower businesses to grow, connect, and transform. From advanced ICT infrastructure to intelligent ELV systems, we design, build, and secure the digital backbone of your enterprise. Our team combines innovation with precision, ensuring your business stays fast, reliable, and future-ready. Our product range brings global performance to your workspace. From business laptops, desktops, and monitors, to servers, printers, and interactive touch boards. Whether you choose Apple or enterprise-grade systems, Hyphen ensures quality, performance, and service excellence. Technology doesn't end at delivery, it grows with support. With our annual maintenance contracts, we provide complete lifecycle care for your infrastructure, keeping your operations secure and uninterrupted. From the UK to the GCC, Hyphen Technologies continues to expand its footprint, delivering trusted, scalable, and innovative technology solutions to businesses around the world.